Alright, where we last were, you and Monty were sitting there and talking. After the group had left. You do hear a police helicopter flying outside.
Do I know it's a police helicopter, or do I just hear a helicopter?
You just hear a helicopter.
Helicopter. So have you been? Also, thanks for helping me.
Yeah, no problem.
I feel kind of bad.
What for?
I don't know. I guess for my mom?
For your mom? Isn't she the lady that frickin' captured you in the house? I mean, do you want to go back?
No, not that bad. I do not feel that bad.
Okay, well, we're gonna be running around a lot. I hope you know that.
I'm ready. I did not skip a single day of PE.
It's good, I guess. Alright, wherever you want to go, let's go.
Shouldn't we try and find Sam? Do we know? Where is Sam?
Oh, she's probably running around talking to people or whatever.
I remember the guy at the bar saying something about a nearby town. I was supposed to follow.
City.
I think I was. Yeah, city.
Yeah.
I think I'm supposed to follow the other three guys. I'm not really sure.
Look, think about it like this. Your mom has probably sent people out looking for you. Bigger city, bigger crowd, bigger people. More amount of people.
Anyways.
Huh?
I was gonna head to the city anyways, so you're coming with, right?
I don't think it's a good idea
For you to come with me, or?
for you to go to the city, like at all.
Oh.
Did I not just explain that?
What? You did. I guess I was just a little confused. Sorry, my brain's a little all over the place.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
So, where am I supposed to go? Because I definitely shouldn't stay in one spot for too long.
We can probably travel around. You know, you've never been outside in the real world. I know a way to get you to and from school if you're still planning on going.
Should I go to the same school? Won't she look for me there?
Don't know.
I still do want to go to school. I really like school, but isn't she gonna find me?
Look, I don't know. You do whatever you like. I don't have all the answers.
I know. Sorry.
I do suppose that you're just asking questions that, you know, to yourself rather than me, so.
Yeah, more so food for thought.
Yeah, got it.
So, how about instead of going directly to the city, we sort of go around?
You hear the helicopter fly away. What was that?
I said, how about instead of going directly to the city, we kind of go around the city?
I guess. Excuse me.
And, well,
Go ahead.
I could try going around the city while you go through to find Sam and we both meet on the other side?
If you think you can navigate.
Because I have my phone and you have your phone.
Yeah.
One more time?
I said if you think you can navigate it, sure.
Well, I just gotta go. I could ask for a map. I know how to read those.
Alright. Sure. You have a GPS, don't you?
In my phone, yes.
Use one of those.
Okay. I also think I should probably get a new phone, because knowing my mother, there's probably a tracking chip or something in here.
Here, hand me your phone.
I just give him my phone.
You see it go up, like, turn to dust. No more tracking chip. He turned it to dust.
I have no money.
Oh. Well, that's something we gotta find a way to get. Alright,
Do people
maybe
still
we
have
should
that, like-
maybe we should stop sitting in one area and start walking.
Yeah. Do you mind if I ask the bartender or something for A, a quest, or B, a map?
Sure, whatever. Go ahead.
Alright, I'll be right back. Promise. I walk over to the bar.
Oh, hold on. Sorry, I forgot to spawn him in. There he is. He just looks up at you, not saying anything. Nicole. Okay.
Yes.
Go.
I did. I said hello.
He just waves back.
I'm looking for a map of some kind. Do you happen to have one? Like, just of the area.
What do you think this is? The medieval ages? No. No, we don't have a map. You got a phone, don't you?
Not anymore.
Okay.
Follow-up question. Do you have any, like, tasks I can do for money or anything like that?
For money?
Mm-hmm.
Not really, but if you probably go ask other people around, then they might have something for you to do.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I just get up. Walk back over.
He just has his hands on his hips and he's just waiting.
Okay, now we can go.
Finally!
I'm sorry I took forever.
Yeah, it's whatever. So where are we going?
Do you know your way around this place?
Not particularly.
Cool. Do you know where the city is?
He just points, and you see, like, a city 2 miles off.
Okay. Oh.
Sam should be here sometime. She's tracking my location.
Okay. So we should probably stick together then. Going through the city's a bad idea, so why don't we both go around?
Sure.
Or just avoid the city altogether.
He just turns left and starts walking.
Is that
To the right
dead?
of you see a body.
What happened?
I don't know.
We should go, right? Like
He starts
now?
walking over towards it. You see him, like, very closely examining the body.
I guess I'll walk over to him.
You hear him mumble, damn it.
Ben,
Excuse me?
what happened?
It was those 3 assholes.
The 3 people I was with?
Yeah. You see this thing lying dead on the ground.
I'm so glad I didn't follow them. Why did they kill it? Is it evil? Is it bad? Not
No,
evil.
no,
Is it
no.
dangerous?
Stop, stop. Slow the fuck down. From what I see, it got shot in the chest and started trying to run away. And that whatever he was, slashed it in the back. He was carrying a katana. It was a merciless
I think his
kill.
name was like Kun Li or something.
It was a merciless kill. Yeah, Kun Li. Alright, I'll send out a search for a Kun Li. We should probably get going before some, authority pulls up on us.
I think maybe that helicopter was the authorities.
Yeah, well, they might come back to clean up the body.
There, let's go. I start walking west.
Alright, as you guys walk away from the body.
Creature.
Hmm?
Poor creature.
Yeah. Happens. Things die. Surprising around here, though. It's illegal hunting grounds. You're not allowed to kill things here. As you guys continue walking. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pause. Alright, as you guys pass the, well, fuck it. As you guys continue walking.
So, how is Sam going to find how's Sam gonna find us? I know you don't have all the answers. Okay.
Yeah.
If I ask too many questions, just tell me to stop.
Well, too many questions isn't what I'm, concerned about. It's when you start rapid firing everything.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. You know this is gonna be difficult, right?
I know.
Like, surviving out here, you're gonna have to do a lot of things. I hope you understand that, Anastasia.
I get it. I know.
You don't get it. You will. You don't right now, but you will.
Alright.
Hmm?
What do you mean by that?
I mean, you don't get it. You've been huddled by your mom your whole life. Your mom's been keeping you inside forever.
True.
Yeah. Alright, 1 second. Oh, you want to look around?
Check my surroundings. No.
Way too late for that.
I know.
It's 12. It's just a 12.
I want to check my surroundings.
You don't see too much. You see, like, the occasional lizard and stuff, but nothing too important. One creature does stand out to you. As it just kind of lands, over here. It looks like this. A crow made entirely of metal.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, what's up? Oh, shit.
Bird.
Cool. As it flies away.
What is that?
Huh?
What was that?
I don't know, it's just a bird. A metal crow. Probably nothing important. At least I don't think. What do you want to talk about, Anastasia?
I know I had something to say. Oh, right, the curse. This price to pay. Do you know exactly what it is?
No, he wouldn't tell us. You see a pack of creatures starting to run by. They are looking at you. They do seem hostile.
Oh.
Yeah, get ready. As you see the snake around him is starting to, like, scrunch up. Sorry? Alright. And get ready for combat. Sorry, you see a pack of these things running by. And behind them, they leave... Sorry. Behind them, they leave these black, like... what's the word? These black trails. You have read about these things. They're called corrupted frillers. They spread the corruption. And it looks like they were coming from the city.
Is it illegal to kill those as well?
No, it's actually advised.
Oh, okay.
They hunt in packs, though. They use a lot of dirty tricks.
Do you have a plan?
You notice when they go in the black grass, they start to disappear. Not really. Just wait for them to do something.
Okay. What does my senses and mind tell me that they're doing?
It looks like they are going to try and ambush. Because, they disappear in the black grass, you don't know if that is all of them. What would you like to do? Remember, you have ice abilities. And Monty has corrupted abilities, which means he's going to be at a disadvantage for this fight. In school, they taught you that corrupted frillers' frills, the sharp things on their back, are extremely sharp. But they're fragile.
Want to see if I can make the area around them specifically colder.
You can't spread ice anywhere that isn't from your body. As they do start to disappear. Oh, sorry. Wrong time. It's your action, Anastasia.
Mm-hmm. So, are there any, like, specific things that I can do with my ice that I know of?
You are able to change the texture of your ice, whether it's sharp or blunt.
Mm-hmm.
And your ice doesn't seem to melt. It seems extremely sharp. Ooh, sounds like somebody you know.
Mm-hmm. Wait. Want to... Can you show me the picture again? I'm sorry.
It's fine. And here's Monty and Razor. Please think out loud.
Okay. I'm thinking about the sensitivity but sharpness of their frills.
They aren't sensitive, they're just sharp and frail.
I did mean frailness.
Okay.
So sharp but break easy.
You also know that these guys are pack creatures.
I want to send a bit of a wide burst of shards at them.
The effectiveness of your dice roll will dictate how many of them you can hit.
My accuracy is a 3.
Your ability is a 0. Which means at max you're going to be able to hit 2. 13! Alright, cool. Are you able to hear me okay?
Yes.
As you send out shards of ice, let's see, 1, okay, 2. One of them gets impaled, and the other one, gets cut. Its arm gets cut. Sorry, you said you wanted to send out, like, a wave?
Yeah.
Alright. Continue.
I do slightly glance at Monty to see if he has come up with anything.
It doesn't seem like it. I will tell you ahead of time, you do know once your ice is out on the ground, you can't really control it. But this one's arm did get cut, as this one is dead. White blood starts seeping from it. Go on, Nicole.
What do I know about that black mist? Or the blackness?
It's black grass, and it makes creatures extremely hostile and corrupts them.
Is there any way to reverse the black grass?
Not that people know of. It's only an issue when, the climate affects it, though. The hotter it is, the more it spreads. As you can see, one of the creatures starting to disappear slowly. You do have one action before it fully disappears. I hope you like the ice effect.
Send out another wide blast in its direction. Trying to just... Yeah.
I will say each of your ice blasts will cost up 5 power threshold. 20. You don't manage to hit anything. You actually manage to, sorry. It goes into the black grass, clearing out like an area of it. Sorry. Just give me one moment. Please keep talking.
Sorry.
Just trying to keep you on your feet.
I am going to start, sort of... I am going to start moving, back and south.
First, look at the formations of these creatures.
I'll just start moving east.
All right.
Midnight.
What do you mean?
Yeah, no, I'll just start moving east.
As the creatures start to disappear. During all of this, the corruption is spreading rapidly. You start moving east. You see Monty is starting to stay put. But as you begin to move east, one of the creatures rushes out from behind you.
Seeing Monty stay put, I'll somewhat walk back toward him, keeping an eye on that creature. Is it, like, running at me?
It's rushing at you.
Oh, never mind.
Like you are being ambushed, Nicole.
Rather than a blast of ice, I want to throw 5 shards at it.
5 shards?
Thin and sharp.
Oh, okay, from your body. Alright. So that's 1. Alright, so first we're going to do his reaction. The creature's reaction. 6. That's 1. 14. 2. 18. 3. 4. 5. 14 and 19. That is a total of 33 damage, which the damage requirement, or 33 on attack roll. The damage requirement to kill one of these is 35. As it does get blasted back. Other one of your ice shards, sorry, I have another tool for this. Whoops. Many of your ice shards, land, but others are covered in blood. Nicole?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Are you distracted or something?
No, I just keep forgetting to talk.
Well, it will benefit you a lot to think out loud.
The only real thing running through my head is just trying to figure out what to do. So...
Oh, that looks good.
I now notice that, well, with the information I have, that one's still alive but backing.
One of them comes rushing up at Monty, and another one comes rushing up from under you. Or from your southern side. But your back is turned to it, but you can hear it.
I do an ice blast, not large, but an ice blast in its direction, more focused on its main body.
Okay. You do an ice blast? Like, what kind of ice blast? From the ground, from your body, or, in the air?
From my body.
Okay, so shards.
Yeah.
Because an ice blast would be from the ground up.
Yeah, no, I'll do a blast from the ground up.
Right, that's where you get the impaling from. Alright, let me just finish this up real quick.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Because it's not going to affect the ice, it's just going to go around it. As you guys are now standing on the black grass.
From the ground up.
Yeah, no, I thought so. Okay. Again, they do vanish inside this black grass.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Do blast from the ground up at the one that I knew was coming at me.
Okay. I'm just highlighting their positions for a second. Whoops.
Doing a bit more of a widespread blast since the grass is covering me.
12. Okay. This is their reaction. Sorry, I forgot to say. Versus your attack. The spikes don't come up, but it does make a sleet of, like, or a sheet of, like, ice. Covering the grass, it highlights their positions. There was 3 of them going to attack you. I hope you like this dynamic.
I do.
As they start trying to run on the ice, they begin to, like, slip and slide everywhere. You feel one jump on your back. Sorry, Nicole?
It jumps on my back?
Yes, it does take too long for you to be able to, like, what's the word? To react because of your using your ability.
Yeah. I want to try and make ice spikes come from my back.
Its reaction versus your actual attack, 16. It impales it, hitting almost every single vital area as it falls down.
I want to see if I can retract the spikes.
You can.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I have to get some things done first, okay?
Okay. Do you want me to stop doing things, or...?
Yes, just for now. Alright, cool. As, you see Monty is flailing around. Like, he's getting cuts all over his body.
I want to make another sheet of ice behind me.
You can't backcast it. It does come from your hands. Like, the sheets that go on the ground come from your hands.
I want to try and just make the sheets, turning around, since those guys don't seem to be able to move too well on the ice.
You what?
Put ice behind Monty, and, behind me as well. Sort of turning to do it.
What do you mean put ice behind Monty? Just like a sheet of ice under him or behind him?
Yes, a sheet of ice on the ground in the area behind us.
I'm so confused. So are you doing it under Monty or, like, behind him?
Behind him. Close to him, but not really touching him with the ice.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'll just say you don't need a roll for that because it's not an attack, and that's...
5.
45. 45, is that right?
Was it at 49 before?
So it's 44.
Yeah.
So, you make an ice sheet under Monty as the thing is revealed to be on his back. Sorry, did I say under? I meant behind. The corrupted filler is on his back. And it is slashing at him. He's hurt.
Is its back to me, the friller?
Yes, it is. Although you do hear these three get up. They seem to have adapted to the ice.
Mm-hmm. And I don't have much control of the ice when it's on the ground?
You don't have any control over the ice when it's on the ground. Once it's out, it's out. You are able to cast ice on top of it. Sorry?
I want to start moving toward Monty.
Alright. You see the corrupted filler is completely focused on Monty, just trying to kill him.
So, can I grab its head?
No, its frillers are protecting it.
Mm-hmm. Can I grab its legs?
Yes. Even though they are wrapped around, you'll be able to grab its waist. They're wrapped around, Monty.
I want to grab and freeze its waist.
Alright, this is an attack. 6 for its reaction, 15 for your attack. As its waist completely freezes, as it stops being able to move its leg. It's still trying to slash at Monty and trying to slash behind itself. Its slash is going to be at least a 10. At most a 10, sorry.
I do want to try and stop it from slashing at Monty by just trying to pick it up off of him gently. My strength is a 6.
Wait. Let's see. Before that, you do hear... Sorry. As you hear one of the frillers hit the ground. Off in the distance, you heard a loud sniper shot. My mistake, where is it?
Hiding.
Thanks, detective. Alright. It seems like somebody is here to help. You can't really see them, but they're here.
Mm-hmm.
As you do what to Monty? Or the thing on Monty?
So it can't really move its lower legs?
No. No, its entire waist is frozen.
With my strength of 6, I want to try and pull it off of Monty without hurting him. Sort of pulling it off by its arms. And that'll explain the second part of what I'm trying to do here when that's done.
Alright, as you grab it by its arms, it is using its strength to pull against you, which your strength is a 6, yes?
Yes.
Its strength is a 7. These things, Corrupted Filler's strength is a 7, their dex is a 12, and their agility is a 7, too.
Can I freeze its arms while trying to
Oh, you said your strength is a 6. Okay, here. 20. This is a 7. Yes, you managed to pull it off completely, as it falls to the ground.
Oh, can I throw it at its friends?
With disadvantage, yes.
Mm-hmm. I would like to note, I know you probably... Anastasia is wearing, boots.
Okay. 17. 18! Damn! Okay, you throw it at its friends. It hits one of them and then the other as they fall on their back and you hear the frills all snap. As they are on the ground, they're trying to get back up.
Did the one that I threw's frills get stuck in their friends at all, or did it hit him belly?
So, no. It doesn't seem like their frills broke off by hitting each other.
I know. Did the one that I threw puncture its friends?
No. Mm-hmm. No, not at all. You do see another one coming after Monty. He looks hurt. As again, off from your east side, you hear... as this one hits the ground.
I do pull Monty closer to me, so I can protect him better.
As he just crouches next to you. Damn. Alright. So far from what you saw, these are the only ones that are left. Nicole?
Do I know if these things have a mind or anything, like, or if they're just...
Yes, due to your classes, they are a hive mind creature. They work off of something controlling them.
Mm-hmm.
And typically, because of their pack creatures, if they find a threat they can't fight, they'll retreat. So for some reason, they're still here.
I want to make another sheet of ice to my east.
To directly your east?
Yes.
How far?
Not too much at a time, but I am trying to reach the not black grass.
Okay. To what purpose is this ice for?
So that I can see where I'm going while trying to get Monty to the grass. So that creatures can't really ambush us.
It doesn't appear that there are any more. From all of them, you've killed most of them except for these ones. As these ones stand up, it seems that they've completely adapted to standing on ice now.
Mm-hmm.
Monty is still on the ground.
I do want to just do a little mental check with myself to see how cold I feel, to make sure I'm okay.
You seem relatively fine.
Please take 5 more off of that 44, because I did make another ice sheet.
Thank you.
No problem. 39.
39. Okay. Alright, what's next?
I know you said that I don't have connection with the ice once it's on the ground. Have I ever tried putting my hand to the ice?
Yes.
Didn't work?
Alright, I want you to pick one of these. Nicole.
I guess the one closest to me?
You see a red slash come down from, hit it. As it drops dead. You can tell, because you've read about it, this is something called Icarus's Wrath. Ikari's Wrath.
Thank you, Red Hand.
As one of them drop dead, you see the 3 look over at that one's body as they seem like they're starting to panic a little bit. What would you like to do?
sort of speaking to them, do I know if they can be reasoned with?
No, not at all. They're mindless creatures. Once they're told to do something, they're going to do it. Unless you can convince the thing that gave it the order, no.
Can the thing that gave it the order hear me?
No. Corrupted fillers are always controlled by something different.
Okay.
Whether it be somebody with corrupted abilities or a creature with corrupted abilities, it's always something different.
I didn't really finish my sentence. Not because of you. You didn't interrupt me. I just forgot the second half. Do you want me to say it, or?
Yes, finish your sentence.
Okay. The second half of that sentence was, can the thing controlling them hear me through them, is what I meant.
No, but it can see you.
Oh. Wait, these things don't have eyes, do they?
Oh, no, they don't.
Tiny. They don't?
Oh, they have holes.
Oh. And they don't have ears. It seems like they just have mouths.
So how do they navigate? Questions.
Can I tell if I'm making any noise? My senses is a 9 and my mind is an 8.
Yes, of course. You're making noise. You have a heartbeat. You're breathing. All the above. I can shut off your heart if you want, Nicole.
Please don't. Nope. No.
Yep. Ikari's wrath! No, I'm kidding.
Don't stop my heart. I like that.
Me too.
I want to make an ice shard in my hand. Half of it dull, the other half sharp, kind of like an ice dagger.
What? What are you talking about?
I want to make an ice shard in my hand. Half of it dull, the other half sharp. Kind of like an ice dagger.
Okay. I'll say that takes up 2 power threshold. 37. Alright, go ahead. You make an ice dagger. You see them starting to panic a bit more.
Leave.
They're looking amongst each other. Not as if they understood you, but as if they were already planning on it. As one of them starts running off. And the other one too. This last one stays behind. There is something you do know about this specific tactic. This one is going to die just to get more information on you. If not, it'll kill you. You know what? I will give you time to talk amongst the players. I'm going to pause recording for a moment. I need to use the restroom.
Power threshold, correct?
Yes, they take 2 power threshold.
Before you start recording.
Cats, I'm recording right now.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, let's continue. This last one is kind of staring you down. As it starts walking towards you, kind of pounding its feet on the ground.
I do say to it, join your friends and live.
As you can see, it is getting lower to the ground, almost as if it's about to pounce at you.
I do 5 bar shards, aiming for its main body and face.
Alright, its reaction, which its agility I said was a 7.
That was its strength.
No, I said it has a 7 on agility, 12 on dex, and 7 on, 7 on strength.
Okay.
10 versus your ice. 1, 2, 3, 17. 4, 5. Oh, yeah, no, you got a 35. Alright. These 5 ice shards go out. Due to the distance, you managed to hit 3 of them. Which one of them gets impaled in the chest, the other gets impaled in its leg, and the last one gets impaled in its head.
Is it dead?
It seems to be dead, yeah.
Can I tell if it's just playing dead or if it's actually dead?
It got impaled in the fucking head.
Okay, fair.
Alright, I'm gonna pause recording again and give you your rewards.
Oh. Ends up and just slowly put my dagger on the ground and then sort of look at Monty raising back up.
He stands up with you. He looks hurt a lot. He has a large gash in his stomach and one in his neck. A slice in his neck. Not where any arteries are. The person with the sniper does start walking towards you. Slowly. I know that looks fast, but it was slow.
My friend's hurt.
A little while later, after him walking towards you, you see this guy. As he walks over, what happened to him?
Started slashing at him. I managed to get it off before it hit anything vital, but he's hurt.
Yeah, he'll be fine. Are you okay?
Yeah, I surprisingly didn't get a scratch.
Speaking of, lack of damage taken. 43. I'm looking for one specific... There it is. Alright. You guys can come with me if you want.
Do I know if I can carry Monty?
You can carry Monty, but it's gonna be a little bit difficult. Like, he's pretty heavy. He seems to walk... This guy seems to walk on the ice effortlessly.
You used to colder places?
Oh, yeah. You guys can come back with me if you want. Nothing about this area is gonna be safe anymore.
Maybe that's why they stuck around for so long.
What do you mean?
Even after over 90% of them were dead, the other 4 just stood there. It's like they were refusing to leave.
Yeah, they're spreaders. I hate those fuckers. But, it's fine. Once we find a way to get rid of this corruption, it'll all be good.
Monty, are you gonna be okay to walk? Just thumbs up or thumbs down.
He puts his thumbs up. You notice your ice shards are starting to get sucked into the ground along with the blood.
We should get a move on.
No kidding. Here. He throws a portal down on the ground.
Where does that lead?
Back to my place.
I do start walking toward it, keeping a very close eye on Monty to see if he's actually okay to walk.
He's limping, but he'll be okay. You walk towards the portal, you said?
Yes.
As this guy clicks a button. Alright. Sorry, that's gonna be the end of the session. Yeah.